Today I want to discuss about the third unit is combinational logic circuit design. So what is combinational circuit? So a binary adder or the binary adder and subtractor is the combinational circuit. Adder and subtraction both are combinational circuit. So it performs more number of arithmetic operations. Addition, it performs addition operation and subtraction operation. So the addition operation, it performs the inputs is the two inputs is performed and we get output. The two outputs, we it need two inputs and two outputs. So the two binary bits is four types of elementary operations are performed. So the first one is 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1. So the two binary bits performs four possible elementary operations. So 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1. Here 0 plus 0 means 0 and 0 plus 1 means 1 and 1 plus 0 means 1 and 1 plus 1 0 and 1. Here 1 is the carry. Okay. So this is the addition operation. Okay. A digital computers, the more arithmetic operations are performed in the digital computers. So the arithmetic operations means addition and then there is subtraction operations. Mainly it bases on addition and subtraction operations are there. So in combinational circuits, here half adder, full adder, half subtractor and full subtractor. So these four are the combinational logic circuit designs. Okay, now a combinational circuit that performs the addition operation. So the addition operation it performs the addition operation. So in addition operation the two binary bits are used. So it needs, so this is called half adder. In half adder, again I repeat, in half adder the combination of the circuit, it performs the addition operation of two binary bits is called half adder. And next one is full adder. Here the two or three, the combinational circuit, it performs the two or three binary bits is called full adder. And half subtractor means it subtracts two binary bits, it subtracts the two binary bits and get borrow, the output is borrow. So and this is also two or more binary bits are performed in the combinational circuit. So this is in this circuit we get the output is borrow also we get in this full subtractor. So first of all I want to discuss about half adder. Half adder. So what is half adder? A combinational circuit that performs the two the addition of the two binary bits is called half adder. So it needs two binary inputs and two binary inputs and binary outputs, and that is the output is sum and carry. Okay, Sum and carry both are outputs. The two binary inputs is A, B or XY or YZ or WX, whatever it may be inputs, we get output sum and carry. Sum means here, sum means X operation. Sum performs XOR operation. Here carry means AND operation. Okay. Sum performs the XOR operation and carry performs the AND operation. So XOR operation means like this, any two inputs we get output like this, and carry operation is A into B. Okay, the block schematic diagram of half adder is A, B. These both are inputs. Half adder, sum, carry. These both are outputs. Okay. This is the block schematic diagram of half adder, and the truth table is of half adder is the two inputs A, B, and the output is sum and carry. Okay. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Here sum means XOR operation. In XOR operation, this is 0 1 1 and 0, and here this is carry. Carry is performs the AND operation, and this is here 0 0 0 and 1. So this is the truth table of half adder. Okay. So next is logical design. Logical design of half adder. Logical design of half adder. So the logical design of half adder is A, B. This is the XOR operation. So this is the sum, and this is carry. This is the logical design. Logical design of half adder. Okay. Now the next topic is K-map simplification. Simplification for sum and carry. K-map simplification for sum and carry. For example, for sum means it performs sum means XOR operation. XOR operation like A B bar plus A bar B. Okay. So A B B bar B A bar A. So here A B bar. So A into B bar. A into B bar, and we represent here, and this is A bar into B. A bar into B, and this is represent here. It's not mapped. So the sum equals to A B bar plus A bar B equals to A plus B bar. So this is the XOR operation. So the next one is sum. So this is for sum and for carry. So the carry representation is A B B B bar B A bar A. Here A into B. Carry means A into B. C equals to A into B. So here A into B. So only represent here. Remaining are 0. Here remaining are 0. So this is the carry. Okay. This is the K-map simplification for sum and carry in half wave, half adder. And so by using NAND logic, okay. So here NAND. So the sum is S equals to A B bar plus A bar B. So carry equals to A B. Okay. So we can simplify sum. So S equals to A B bar plus A into A bar. A into A bar means 0. So we can assume A into A bar plus A bar B plus B into B bar. So this one and this one we can assume. So we can here the common term or separately we can write separately. So here A is, so A bar plus B bar, in these two terms A is the common term, and here these two terms the B is the common term. So here B A bar plus B. So here in AND operation, so A into here by De Morgan's theorem, the OR operation is changed to the AND operation, and the AND operation is changed to OR operation. So A B bar plus B into, here also applied like this. So similarly here to De Morgan's law, so A into A B bar and whole bar plus B into A B bar and whole bar. Okay, so this is the sum. So and carry is, the carry is also AB double bar. So this based on this we can design the logical circuit by using the NAND logic. Okay. So by using the NAND logic circuit, here AB double bar, this is the carry and this is the sum. Sum means here A into sum is here A into A B bar whole bar, and here this is A B, here A B bar. This is the input is A and B. The two inputs are applied to the sum, applied to the sum. So A B bar. This is the two inputs. The combination of two inputs is here A B bar, and here also A B bar, and this is B into A B bar whole bar. Okay. So the sum is this one. So here A into AB bar whole bar plus B into AB bar whole bar. This is the sum and this is the carry. So this is the combinational circuit of NAND gate by using the NAND logic. Okay, so the next one is NOR by using NOR logic. Here also sum and carry we can verify the we can prove the sum and carry here. This is the NOR logic. So in NOR logic, same as the NAND logic, here S equals to A B bar plus A bar B, and here A B bar plus A into A bar. So already already tell you A into A bar means 0, and here A bar B plus B into B bar. Similarly, the case is applied in this. So here A, these two terms, the A is the common term, so A bar plus B bar plus here B is the common term, here A bar plus B bar. But in this sum, the NOR logic is applied, so that's why here A plus B into A bar plus B bar. So here A plus B bar plus here A into B bar and whole bar. Okay, so this is the sum and the carry is AB. Here also the carry is AB, so AB is double bar. So here A plus B bar. Okay, we can divide it here. Here A into B, so the end operation is changed to end sign is changed to or sign is changed to end sign. That's why we can write like this. Okay, so now we can draw the logic design for NOR. So the logic design is here A, B and A bar, B bar, and here A bar plus B bar whole bar, and this is carry, and this is sum, A plus B whole bar. So this is the logic design for NOR logic. Okay, so the next topic is continue next video.